please, and thank you very much. And thanks for the reports. It's interesting, really interesting. G4KEE, G4NFS, over.
Yeah, very fine. Got 4 November, Foxtrot Sierra on the group. Got 4 Kilo Anchor. Yeah, fine. No one pleasure to work here this morning. Likewise, always you, Bev and Tony. So put it down to Tony, then up to you. Then after you, Bev. And I better start here on this end as well. Coming up to pill time again. And thanks for the wishes for tonight, Bev. Hope it all. I got one big fear, but I hope it's going to be that after the MRI scan. Never mind. So with that, down to you, Tony. Then you pass it up to Bev, and we'll call it a day. Go and get through some of this sunshine we got in Exeter. Mike 6 Alpha India Victor, and the group. Go 4 Kilo Echo, over.
Mike 6 Alpha India Victor. Thanks, Vic. And I'll catch you on 16 in a second if you like. But if not, best wishes for what we were talking about, mate. I'm sure it'll go absolutely fine. And give me a ring and give us a landline, or that'd be the easiest way. I will be around this evening. Golf 4 Uniform Delta Yankee. I think I double with Norman in Bristol. Much stronger on the dipole. 2 S points stronger on the dipole. I'm just wondering, Bev, what position you've got the switch in on your microphone on the 817, and what mic gain have you got on the little mic gain menu, Bev? Go ahead.
Yeah, the mic gain is on the mid-range setting. I can't remember what numbers are, but it's on the mid-range setting, and the mic setting, the switch on the back of the microphone is on number 1. I'll just check that again. Yeah, number 1. It's completely over to the left-hand side as you look at it. So that's that. Yeah, I always set my microphones up with it on about mid-range, 5 or 6. So whatever radio set I get, so there we are. This one's no exception, and I think it was set up on that when I first had it, because I bought this radio second hand from a silent key size. It always seems to come out trumps. Anyway, back to you there, Tony. I've lost your call sign. M6 AIV G4 UDY.
G4 UDY, M6 AIV. Yeah, I was interested to know, because I've actually got my switch on position 2. I'll just knock it back to position 1. Stand by. Right, that's on position 1 now, which I'm told is a little bit more bassy. And I often use that when I'm on FM. And I've actually got the mic gain, believe it or not, on 95% on the rig. And after sort of several hours of playing around with it, with another station on the other end doing tests, and it does seem to be all right. And I've listened to my recorded audio. It seems fine. But you sound absolutely brilliant. But I'll be interested to know, does it sound much different on position 1, Bev? Go ahead.
Yeah, it does. It makes quite a distinct position, and you're right. It does make it more bassy when you go over. Just stand by. I'll just flick mine over and see what difference it makes. Okay, that's on position 2 now, so I've never done this experiment before. So hopefully it has made, I expect it has made a difference. Yours has certainly made a difference. So how does that sound on the position 2? And we go back to position 1. Right, that's on position 1. Back to you there, Tony.
G4 UDY. I think personally, I like position 2. This sounds all wrong, doesn't it? Position 2 sounds absolutely fine. It's a little bit crisper, to be honest. I'd sort of set myself up a way of doing it now, that if I'm using it on 2 meters FM, or if I've got an incredibly good pathway to someone, I'll go for position 1. But normally I'll go for position 2. It just makes it a touch sharper, but without being unpleasant on the ears. So I think from my point of view, position 2. Now, I've actually been recording this little QSO on my smartphone. I'll stick it on YouTube and send you a link. God knows how long it will take to load, because it's going on a bit. But yeah, whether you'll hear it on the video or not, I don't know. But to the human ear, Bev, position 2 sounds very nice indeed. a G4 UDY M6 AIV.
Yeah, okay there, Tony. Yeah, fine business.